Hello, in this jQuery video I am going to cover event attributes. So you may have already noticed that we got this little function or this little parameter that's passed into this inline method that is binded or bound to this, whatever selected, in this case any paragraph tags. This event actually has quite a lot of attributes that you can check. So what I'm going to do is put event here. So let's print out event and see what we get. If I reload, click bind, obviously that's not, let's rename that to event attributes, and I'm going to rename the method as well to event attributes, or the ID I should say, and I will put, actually we don't even need that because it's when we click the paragraph. What am I doing? Okay, so now if I go back, reload, if I click that, we get, a bit of functionality, or a bit of information, and this will tell us, a lot of stuff. And obviously we can print out all of this individually by just doing like dot, then one of these, and we're going to cover some of them in a second, some of the really important ones. But as you can see, there's like so much information here. So if you go to this page X and Y, this shows you different. It shows you offset. It shows you key code as well. If it was a key on the keyboard, it shows you so much information. The type as well, the timestamp, like so much ridiculous information that you can get. So what I'm gonna do is print out, like I said, some of the obvious ones. So dot pagex, and what I'm gonna do is and I'm going to put a colon, then event dot page y. Now if I reload it and I'll click it, unexpected string. My bad. And if I click that, as you can see, so if I keep clicking it, it's in my mouse is in the same position now. We get 4725. So that's 47 pixels across, 25, or I did move it slightly. If I move it round about here, but keep my vertical the same, roughly, we get a higher first number. The second number is almost the same. And if I move it down here, or back here, we get a lower first number, but again, the other one's still the same. Let's move it up a bit, but still be able to click it. Now we get a higher, or a lower, I should say, second number, so we can get exactly where that event occurred if it's a mouse event, for example, on the actual screen itself. So that is fantastic. Not just being able to detect a particular type of event, so in this case it's the click event. I'm going to cover all the different other type of events as well in separate videos, so this part is for the most part insignificant, but we can get event attributes. You can get so much more. You can get the target, you can get the event type, you can get like what sort of button. So if you just open one of these, like I said, all of this information you can get. So you can get the offset as well. You can get, just so much information. See, you can see the base URI. You can see, any child elements. So there's like a lot of information. So as an extra task, what I want you to do is peruse some of these attributes. I'm sure you won't go through all of them. It's just not feasible, but check out some of them, print them out, and just see what wonderful information that jQuery provides you for the elements that it has provided in the event attribute. So that's it. If you have any questions, feel free to pop me a message, and as usual, I look forward to seeing you in the next video.